Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we can go on a journey together to live our highest, truest, and most fulfilled version of ourselves. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you so much. Today's video is another food vlog, and this time it's a drink. It's the lemongrass and mint tea. It's an herbal drink that is so good for you. First, let's get to know more about lemongrass. Lemongrass is an herb that is native to Sri Lanka and South India, now grows in many countries around the world. Common ingredient in Asian cooking, but it's also good to brew to make a tea like what we're doing here today. There are significant studies out there that show the benefits of lemongrass that include relieving anxiety, lowering cholesterol, preventing infection, boosting oral health, relieving pain, boosting red blood cell levels, and relieving bloating. Wow, pretty good so far. Now, let's get to know the mint. Mint is another healthy herb. It is rich in nutrients like fiber, vitamin A, iron, manganese, and folate, may improve irritable bowel syndrome, help relieve indigestion, could improve brain function. That's great. Wow, we need that. May decrease breastfeeding pain, improves cold symptoms, it's really good especially for this cold weather, and may improve oral hygiene. Well, now imagine that combining these two healthy herbs will make one amazing healthy herbal drink. We grow our own lemongrass. We bought lemongrass from the Asian store. For propagation, pick stalks that have as much of the bottom bulb still intact. Then place stalks in a glass of water, about an inch of water in the bottom. It will take 2 to 3 weeks, then the bulb should start to sprout with roots. Then you can transplant in a bigger pot using good potting soil. Nothing like harvesting fresh herbs from your own garden or your own little container gardening. You have to bring your lemongrass plant inside the house during the cold weather, fall and winter. It will not do well in cold weather. I grow my own mint too, so here I am harvesting some mint for this tea. This is how my mom prepares the lemongrass for brewing. She has her own style like this to keep it intact and will not be messy inside the pot. Please share in the comment section how you prepare your lemongrass, not just when making tea, but also when adding it to your food or any recipes. So we're ready to make this lemongrass mint tea. All you need, the lemongrass, the mint, and some water. First step is in a pot, bring water to a boil. I have 5 cups of water here. I use a small pot. Then when it's boiling, add the lemongrass and mint leaves into the water and then simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the color turns into light brown, and you can stir in honey to sweeten or add a squeeze of lime or lemon for extra tang. It's delicious. Serve this either warm or cold. It's really good, especially for the cold weather coming soon. It's healthy, it's natural. You really can't go wrong having this lemongrass mint tea. It's a win-win. I pair it with my delicious Filipino breakfast treats. Let me know in the comment section if you'll try it and are reaping the benefits like I did, like helping with my bloating and also lowering cholesterol and preventing infection, keeping me healthier definitely. Be active, be healthy, be happy, and be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.